I'm gonna let you know before you watch the video. This video's old. The day I filmed it, I couldn't download it to my phone, so I can edit it. But now I did. So if you decided to go to Picknpull and I see those cars, or they're not there, it's because those videos are old. So I'm letting you know right now. All right, enjoy. Damn. Toyota, Honda, two Hondas, and a Honda. The Cadillac? I mean, no, it's like a goddamn Lincoln. And the BMW. And the BMW is a 5. I know it's a 5, but what kind? Oh, 530. Oh shit. Let's work. Not gonna lie, I thought it was not gonna work. Interior, not that bad. But for sure something's wrong with it. Oh, GMC. Oh, for sure. Oh, damn. God damn. They're fucking in here.
Have us a little screw party in this red Prius over here if you want to join us.
No, you're not going anywhere near that Prius, okay?
Here's what we're talking about. We're talking about a bunch of hobos with fingers in each other's pooper in a stranger's car with talk radio playing really loud. It's going to be a nice evening.
Well, we're not participating in that. We have no interest.
Let me rephrase it. We got a jar of old mustard, and we got a poodle, and we're just going to get in there, and we're going to put some D's in some A's.
Hey, are you Dirty Mike and the boys?
For sure. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, all fucked up. No, it's a nice Ford. Another BMW.